They had a few challenges. First of all, it was offline environment, which oftentimes a challenge on its own, having state-of-the-art tools running in an on-prem offline environment, because most tools, today's tools mostly run cloud only. So that was a challenge on its own, and it's also a very highly regulated environment. And they needed to deploy patches into this highly secured on-prem air-gapped environment. That big shift into the cloud, I think that leaves some of the people or some of the companies hanging in their on-prem environments. I think most companies focus on endpoints that are mostly connected to the internet. All of them, or most of them, use internet related services, and tool vendors don't focus on this customer group anymore. It needs some thoughts. It needs some planning on how to get the patches from the outside world into your offline environment. But that's really the biggest challenge of it. Inside of that offline environment, you have Barramundi as the tool of their choice in that case, which handles all of that completely automatic. So the biggest challenge is really getting the data into this network, because you need to have a way in there, and that can be a USB thumb drive. This can be like one special device in the network that has access to one single machine outside of the network, which is really highly secured. So there are several ways to approach that. But once the data is in the network, if you have a tool like Barramundi, it's actually no big deal to distribute everything within the network. And then at the same time, if we talk about a highly secured, highly regulated environment like the SCADA network, you also need to have things in place to make sure the whole environment stays safe and you don't break anything by patching or deploying.